have some fun and learn something new. Sammie's gonna show us what to do. We'll do some arts and crafts. Let your imagination soar higher, and we'll figure out what's on the other side of the dryer.
Hey guys, it's so good to see you again. Thanks for joining me on the other side of the dryer. I think I'm going to go find my good friend Ollie. Oh, you know what? I think I can hear him right now.
Oi, oi, oh. Hey, Sammie.
Hi, Ollie.
What's going on today?
Well, I was going to ask you the same question. You working on any projects?
I am. I'm going to turn this old milk carton into a bird feeder.
Well, that's cool. Why are you going to do that?
Well, as a committed outdoor sock, it's important to me to improve the environment around me and maintain Earth's natural beauty. To do that, I recycle when I can, reuse whatever possible, and reduce my usage of natural resources. That's why today I'm going to recycle this old milk carton into a bird feeder.
Oh, wow. That sounds like fun. You wouldn't happen to have an extra one, would you?
I do, Sammie. Why don't you join me on the other side of the dryer and I'll show everybody how to make a bird feeder.
Okay. Yay.
You'll need your milk carton, a precision cutting device, a dowel rod or stick,
Mod Podge, and tissue paper.
You can also decorate with duct tape
And paint.
and finally you'll need some yarn.
Well, that was so much fun. And look at all those pretty birds. Except for that goofy one at the end.
Sammie, different is beautiful. Well, we'll see you next time, guys.
Yeah, we'll see you next time on the other side of the dryer. Bye-bye. Yay, bye.
Yeah, see you next time.
Bye-bye.